Welcome back to the video on Desmos. In this video, we will see how to questions to our quiz. On the left hand side, I click on the option questions. Here, I click on this drop down icon. I get the option graded section available for free version, the survey or ungraded version, questions which are available for paid versions alone, and in the other section, the text block option is available for free version, whereas the other options are available for paid versions alone. Let us start by text block. Here I am going to type a text. It is like an instructions or command can be posted which will be displayed on top of a quiz. Now we'll start adding our questions. It is quite similar to Google form quiz. I click on this drop down. I select the first question as multiple choice. I type my question here. Now I type the options. I have a facility to bold, underline, italic, strike through. I can even align it, upload files, images, colors. See, the color is changed. So I have various options to do over here. I can even insert math, tables. Now I can change the point here. We do not have a feature to write up explanation in the free version. If I click on this, it shows a pop-up to sign up by paying $50. So we'll just stick to points and correct answer. Now moving on to the next question, I click on the drop down icon here, multiple choice with many. I want only 4 options, so I'm going to delete my 5th option and I'm going to click on my correct answers. This is not a correct answer, so I'm going to remove the tick. Points is 2. Since it is a multiple choice where more than one answers are correct, we can even give partial credit over here by clicking on this. Now moving on to the next question. Insert true or false. The answer is true, so I do not need to change it. Points, I'm going to give it as 2. Now moving on to the next question. Matching. I click on match. As you can see, one side all the animals are listed, on the another side what they are listed, and here in the drop down box the correct answers are listed. Now on one side I've typed the animal, fruit, sports and flower. On the next side I've typed the matching answer for it. Now I'm going to here by clicking on this drop down box. Tiger is a animal, so I select option 4. Lotus is a flower, so I select option 3. Mango is a fruit, so I select option 2. Cricket is a sport, so I select option 1. Here I'm going to give the score as matching style. It can be text or it can be numeric by selecting numbers. Any one is fine. We'll go with text. Partial credit we are going to give it. Now moving on to the next question. I click on the drop down icon here. Fill in the blank. If by clicking on case sensitive, then they have to write in this particular case alone. If I remove it, even if the answer is written in other, either in, I've typed the answer here. I've typed the correct answer here. I have only one answer, so I'm not going for another alternative answer. If I have an alternative answer, click on answer and type an alternative answer. I'm going to remove it. Now if I want, I can even include it as case sensitive, like whenever we add fill in the blanks for abbreviation or something like that where the case sensitive can be applied, we can just put a tick here. I do not need to apply case sensitive here, so I'm going to just remove it. I'm going to put the points as 2. Now moving on to the next question, I click on drop down icon here, essay. So short. Here we are not going to add any answers. Instead, this will be graded manually. So all the essay questions will be graded manually. Once the student have attended the quiz, we can manually grade them and they can view the score after we finished grading. As you can see, this page is auto saved, so we do not have to save it. So with this we have finished with the questions. Now moving on to the next, publishing the question. On the left hand side I click on publish. Here I have an option to preview my test. I click on preview. This is the theme which I've selected. I click on preview. All the questions are given here with the points and the time. Once the student starts the exam, automatically it will show the time remaining and they have a submit button. I have an option to either print if my printer is connected or download the quiz questions as Word document. I click on show answers. Since we do not have explanation, I'm just going to stick to show answers and download it. As you can see, the quiz questions are downloaded with answers. Now I click on this publish icon. Once we publish the test, we get a URL for our quiz, and by sharing this URL along with the passcode for the quiz, students will be able to take the test. In the next video, we will see a preview of how to attend the quiz as a student and get the results for the quiz as a teacher. Thank you. Once we publish the test, we get a URL for our quiz, and by sharing this URL along with the passcode for the quiz, students will be able to take the test. Thank you. In the next video, we will see a preview of how to attend the quiz as a student and get the results for the quiz as a teacher. Thank you.